Hello guys, welcome back to my server. And today we will teach you how to build a bacon door. So let's see. You will see here it's just ordinary bacon. You can see you can pass there. Okay, open this bad boy. Okay, you can pass. So now, first tip, how to build this door. Follow my steps. First, you need bacon, iron, glass, and the last are carpet. We need this fence too. This lever, this, and I don't have space now, so okay, we have found a space. Okay. Oh wait, how? What the heck? Get up! It's my skeleton. Okay, first you need to blow up one TNT. Need still TNT don't need in the just first to build why use I TNT. Okay, look at, I don't see anything. You can use this to your house. Oh, this is not good. You will see. Build it. First, I don't do the control first because it's so hard to build. You need the shovel because I'm gonna answer survival. Okay. We need the harder. Okay, let's go down. Survival. Oh no, on your judgment. Oh my god. So now put the redstone here. And wait. Okay, so don't do. Oh, I forgot. Good contrato. Oh my god! I'm gonna put it like oh! My god. How is it? How is this fun? Woo! What? Delete that. Like this. Like this. Okay. Okay, that's tips how to boot. Just let's see. What's this does? Okay, you can get in. You can get in. Okay, open this. Okay. You can in now. Oh, see, let them see. If you close this. You can go in. Oh, shoot me. Come on. Come on. Shoot me. Shoot me. There are two people. What language? I don't mean, I swear. This is perfect for the person. If you have one to capture or your friends want to capture, you want to see what you're gonna do because you can in this way. Okay. Guys, oh, you can trap them. You can trap a zombie deer. So that's how to this I bug. Nothing subscribe. Do not subscribe. Please like and subscribe right now. Bye.